around the edges.
You're trying to keep it tight to the inside.
I'm trying to keep it tight and not on the outside here as this goes. And then as this goes around, and I always start at the bottom of the window so that the tape, when it goes all the way around, it meets at the bottom so that the rain falls off and actually falls at the right spot in the window and doesn't fall in cracks.
You want that seam at the bottom.
Yep. So you're going all the way around, and then where you start here, you overlap just a smidge. Really, that's my end of the windows. Yep.
So they've overlapped here.
Yep. So they overlap right at the bottom where you want that water to drip down into. You want to keep it tight all the way around.
Gotcha. That's the adhesive they put on before the foam came. Good.